Hey guys, welcome to Sma-trendz. Today we'll be making various flavored makhana. They are super delicious. We also made masala makhana. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out right now. Now, we're gonna start by adding 2 teaspoons of butter or ghee. We're just taking a fresh butter stick and cutting 2 pieces out of it. Here's 1 and there's 2. And guys, a lot of butter makes it a lot delicious. The more butter, the merrier. You're just gonna add 2 cups of makhana after you let all the butter drizzle everywhere. Just let the butter drizzle a little bit and then you can add 2 cups of makhana. And did you know makhana is also super healthy? It manages diabetes. You know those people who can't process sugar very well? Those things. And it takes away weight. It's weight loss. Oh, back to the video. You're going to roast it for 10 minutes in medium flame. Just keep roasting it. Anyways, it provides a lot of energy. So whenever you're down in the dumps, eat some makhana and you're feeling like you got a burst of energy. And it develops healthy, strong bones, and it's good for kidney health and heart health, and it prevents skin damage, and many more. Now back to the video. You're going to break a piece to check if it's crunchy. If it's soft, you're going to let it roast for a few more minutes. So there is all the roasted makhana. After it's roasted, turn off the flame and split it into 2 equal parts. So we've got 1 part and 2. You're going to add ½ teaspoon of red chili powder into a bowl, or you can add as much as it is appropriate to you. Same with the salt. As much as appropriate to you, you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of dry mint. Dry mint is actually pretty good. It has that good mint smell. I love mint. It has such a nice smell to it. I'm pretty sure it's good too. You're going to mix it well and sprinkle it all over 1 portion of the roasted makhana. I feel like I'm putting on sprinkles everywhere. That's so weird. Even though these are colored green sprinkles. So after you sprinkled it, you're just gonna be adding 1/2 teaspoon of oil. And then you're gonna mix it all together. I'm pretty sure the oil keeps the taste and lets it all get stuck together. Anyways, you're gonna mix until everything is coated nicely. Makhana, did you know makhana is also used in many recipes? And it's super delicious. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I said that. So, our mint makhana is ready to serve. Tip time! You can pause the video and check out the tip. You can do it at home too. You can use mint leaves and maybe leaves. And it's super simple. Just takes for 1 to 2 days. So now we're going to add another flavor to the makhana. We're going to add another flavor to the other portion of the makhana. So here's the other portion, and we're going to add a ½ teaspoon of red chili powder again, and the salt that's appropriate to you. And you're going to add roasted coriander powder. I kind of feel like we're making the masala makhana again. It's kind of the same recipe, but not really. There's a big plot twist in this. 1 surprise ingredient will come at the end. So you're going to sprinkle it just like normal, and you're going to get 1 teaspoon of methi leaves, and you're going to crush it together and add it. You're just going to crush it with your fingers and add it in. So just keep sprinkle it again and add ½ teaspoon of oil again. And you're just gonna mix everything well together. And make sure it's all coated nicely and it's all spreaded out. And, okay, where is it? Okay, here it is. And the meaty makhana is ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos too. Bye everybody. See you in the next time.